Hello everyone, today's topic welfare definition. Welfare definition is given by Alfred Marshall, who is from British country, relating to the period of 1842 to 1924. He shifted emphasis from production of wealth to distribution of wealth. According to his definition, economics is one side a study of wealth and other side it is a study of man. Other economists like A.C. Pigou, Edwin Cannon have given the same definition, and thus this definition includes production, consumption, exchange and distribution, which are very important for economic activity. Importance of welfare definition. Economics is related to man's wealth, and it is also a study of use of material wealth which promotes human welfare. Economics is a social science and it has no concern with undesirable activities. It includes only economic activities which promote material welfare. Marshall used the term economics for political economy. He assumed economics as science which is similar to physics even though it changes. This definition gave importance to man and his welfare, regarded wealth as a means for promotion of only human welfare. Even this definition stands for some criticisms like economics is a human science rather than social science. This definition did not give importance to non-materialistic goods, which are also very important. Welfare is a subjective and relative concept which changes accordingly to time, place and person. It includes only material goods which promote welfare, but production and consumption of alcohol and drugs do not promote any human welfare. Robin criticized this definition as it did not talk on scarcity of resources and choice problem. Thank you. Hope you all liked my video.